Hello everyone, I am Shreya from Stocks Academia. Today we are going to share news related to few stocks and their chart analysis. Let's get into the first stock. Bajaj Finance rallies 13% in 2 days on healthy June quarter results. Shares of Bajaj Finance gained 9.4% to Rs 699 on the BSE in Thursday's intraday trade, surging 12.7% in 2 days. After the company reported a 159% year-on-year jump in its consolidated net profit to Rs 2596 crore for the quarter ended June 2022. The strong profit growth was aided by strong net interest income growth and lower loan losses and provisions. The consumer financer had earned a net profit of Rs 1002 crore in the year ago quarter. Let's get into the second stock. SpiceJet hits 2-year low after DGCA cuts 50% flight operation, stock slipped 10%. Shares of SpiceJet hit over a 2-year low of Rs 34.6 and slipped 10% on the BSE in Thursday's intraday trade after Indian Aviation DGCA directed only 50% flight operation for 8 weeks. In the first week of July, DGCA issued a show cause notice to SpiceJet for its failure to ensure safe, efficient and after 8th incident within a month. Let's look into the third stock. Zomato shares are up nearly 7% as analysts project bigger order volumes. Shares of India's Zomato surged nearly 7% on Wednesday after several analysts projected higher profits in the near term, recovering some losses from a sharp drop in their value after a share lock-in period ended this week. Ant Group-backed Zomato made a strong debut on the Mumbai market last year, but concerns about its valuation have brought down its market value by about 68% since then. Let's get into the fourth stock. Tata Steel jumps 5% after turning ex-date for 1:10 stock split. Shares of Tata Steel were up to 5% at Rs 100.45 on the BSE in the Thursday's intraday trade. After the stock turned ex-date for subdivision of shares in a ratio of 1:10 today. The Board of Directors of Tata Steel on May 3, 2022 approved a proposal for a subdivision of the equity shares of the company, having a face value of Rs 10 each to Rupee 1. The rationale behind the split is to enhance the liquidity in the capital market, widen the shareholder base and make the shares more affordable to make small investors. Let's look into the fifth stock. Welspun India tanks 6% after profit plunges 90% year-on-year to Rs 21 crore. Shares of Welspun India NSE 3.01% fell over 6% in Thursday's trade as net profit plunged 90% year-on-year to Rs 21.36 crore as against Rs 222.9. Total income saw an 11% year-on-year decline to Rs 1,978 crore for the total ended June 2022 as against Rs 2,227 crore in the same quarter of the previous year. Let's look into the charts of these. Let's take the Bajaj Finance. Let's look at the weekly chart of this. Let me draw a trend line. price has clearly broken the trend line. Let me convert this into daily. Seems after a downtrend, it started moving up. I will consider buying this stock, keeping this stop loss below this line. Next one is SpiceJet. See, it's in significant downtrend. We have to see if it takes the reversal from here. Next one is Zomato. This is in a significant downtrend. See, as per technicals, I will not buy this irrespective of brokerage reports. Let's look at Tata Steel. See, this is the zone where the stock has taken multiple supports. So, I will consider buying this if the price closes above this zone. Let's look at the Welspun India. Let me convert this into weekly. Look at this zone. See, I will consider this after it breaks this zone. So guys, all my buying decisions are for swing or positional trading. That being said, thanks for watching the video. I will see you in our next video.